In this video, I'm going to show you how to download GTA Vice City in laptop. You can only download GTA Vice City using your Steam account. So first, log into your Steam account and then click on search bar right here and then type in GTA Vice City. Once done, click on enter. And then click the first one to appear, the GTA Vice City. Just and click that one, and then in here you need to register your date. So I'll be registering my birthday, for example, that one. Just and then select the year. And once you're done, click on view page. And then click on package info right here. So you just have to scroll all the way down and check if the package includes the GTA Vice City. So as you can see here at the bottom, we have here the GTA Vice City. It is included to the package. So once you're sure of it, just go back to the menu and add it to your cart. So once added to your cart, you can now purchase this one. So you can purchase it as a gift or purchase it for yourself. So we'll be choosing this one. And then the last step is to arrange your billing method so that you can now purchase the GTA Vice City. And that's it, guys. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.